In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an invoice via the Xero network. Whether you're a small business owner or managing accounting for a company, sending invoices efficiently is essential for maintaining smooth cash flow and professional communication. Xero makes this process simple and streamlined, and I'll guide you through each step clearly so you can follow along with ease. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Xero login page. Once you're there, click on the Login button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Make sure your details are correct, then click Login to access your dashboard. Now that you're inside your Xero dashboard, direct your attention to the top navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Business. Hover over it, and from the drop-down menu, select Invoices. This section is where you manage all your customer invoices, payments, and billing activities. Once you're in the Invoices section, click on Awaiting Payment. This will display a list of all invoices that have been sent but not yet paid. Reviewing this section helps you ensure that you're sending the correct and active invoices to your clients. Now, take a moment to go through the list and select the invoices you want to send. Make sure the details, such as the customer name, amount, and due date, are all correct before proceeding. After selecting your invoices, look for the Email button, usually located in the action bar at the top of the page. Click on it, and Xero will open an email template that's ready to be sent along with your selected invoices. Before sending the email, it's very important to review everything carefully. Double-check the recipient's email address, the subject line, and the message content. You can also customize the message to make it more personal or professional, depending on your needs. Once you're satisfied that everything is accurate and looks good, go ahead and click the Send button. Xero will then process your request and send the invoices directly to your clients through the Xero network. And that's it. You've successfully sent invoices using Xero. This process not only saves time, but also helps keep your accounting organized and ensures your clients receive invoices promptly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your invoicing process faster and easier. See you in the next tutorial.